There are literally hundreds of cleaning products to choose from on the supermarket shelves, but did you know that some are just a plain old waste of money, even performing worse than water in some of our expert testing? Welcome to Choosing Better. I'm here with choice expert Ashley Iredale, and today we're going to talk about the cleaning products that are worth spending your money on and which ones are duds. And hopefully Ash will share a few of his best kept cleaning secrets with us as well. Hey Ash. So everyone's looking to save money on household products right now. What's your advice for people looking to save money on cleaning products?
Hi Prue. Yeah, we've tested hundreds of cleaning products over the years, and one thing that we consistently find is that price is not necessarily an indication of performance. If you choose wisely, you can get a great cleaning product for a fraction of the price of the leading brands.
There's lots of different cleaning products for different purposes. Do I need a specific product for my kitchen, for my bathroom?
You'll find that you need a specific bathroom cleaner to deal with soap scum, but there are a whole range of other products that all do roughly the same thing. So your multi-purpose cleaners, your benchtop cleaners, your kitchen cleaners, you only really need one good multi-purpose cleaner, and that'll do the job of all of them.
So when it comes to multi-purpose cleaners, you test hundreds of them in the labs every year. Can you tell us a little bit about how you test them?
Yes. So we take ceramic tiles, pre-soil them with a mix of carbon black and triglycerides and let them dry overnight. We then spray them with each of the multi-purpose cleaners and scrub them on a mechanical scrubbing device, which gives us a consistent number of scrubs with consistent speed and consistent pressure. We then measure the before and after results using a spectrophotometer. That
sounds very fancy and scientific. And when you do when you've got your test results, do you find that the most expensive multi-purpose cleaners are always the best?
No, we consistently find that some of the cheaper ones will outperform some of the most expensive ones. In particular, Nifty, time and again top performer, comes in at 91% overall and costs you about $4.40 a bottle. This compares to other products from leading brands which only score around 46%, but they cost you the same amount of money.
Right, so price doesn't always equal performance then?
No, it certainly does not.
So what about something like floor cleaners? How do they perform in your testing?
Yeah, well, we've tested hundreds of floor cleaners over the years, and sadly we can't recommend any of them. We've found that a number of floor cleaners barely perform better than plain water, and some of them actually perform worse than water on its own. Now the reason for that is there's just not enough of the active ingredient in them once they're diluted to be effective. So if you want your floors clean, I recommend just going with hot water and good old elbow grease.
So if I was looking for the cheapest way, like a really great surface cleaner that's not going to cost me much money, what are your tips?
Okay, so ditch all the dedicated benchtop kitchen cleaners and just go with one good multi-purpose cleaner. Or failing that, good old vinegar and bicarbonate of soda is a tried and true recipe for getting things clean. And don't have children.
And this is a really cheap option, right, as well as compared to some of the other products that we've tested?
Yes, certainly.
Okay. And a lot of people at the moment are having problems with mould. Do you have any tips for the best way to get rid of mould in your bathroom and around the house?
Yes, absolutely. Mould's not only unsightly, it can cause health and respiratory issues, so it's important to stay on top of it. Unfortunately, a lot of the dedicated mould cleaners out there, they're based on bleach, but they don't have enough of the active ingredient in them to actually be effective. So again, you need to choose wisely if you're using a purpose mould cleaner, or go back to your old vinegar and bicarb and a bit of scrubbing. But be aware that mould doesn't just sit on the surface, it puts down roots. So if you've got mould in the silicone grout around your bathtub, you might have a really hard time getting rid of it.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, Ash. So Ash and our experts here at Choice have spent hours testing hundreds of cleaning products in our labs. If you found this video useful, please click to subscribe and don't forget to visit choice.com.au to view thousands more product reviews and become a member.